Hey, what's up everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to make my tequila and lime chicken marinade. A couple things everybody should have in their cabinet. That's some tequila and some limes. Let's get it started. First things first, 2 limes, juice them up. Give you about half a cup of juice if you're using some of that bottled stuff. I'm using a little food processor for me. You can use a little blender, a little magic bullet, whatever you want. Moving on, 2 jalapeños. Top and tail these guys, as Gordon Ramsay would say. Give them a nice little chop just to help out the process. De-seed them if you want, but I wouldn't. Keep it spicy. Alright, next, cilantro. Just whack off half of that bunch, toss it in the pot. You don't need to chop it up. I don't even know why I was doing this, but if you want to chop it up, work on your knife skills. Smash it into a little ball, move your fingers back, and then give it a nice little chop if you want to practice. Otherwise, throw it in the blender. There's no need to chop it up. All right, we got some garlic next. Give it a whack, and then pick out the 5 biggest cloves you got. Get them nice and peeled. Toss them in. Hey-yo. Don't let them get away, though. So, next, got a couple pinches of salt. Bring out a little flavor there. And then here's a little secret trick. I use a little marinade mix. This one's from Grill Mates, called Mojito Lime. Just half the packet. Gives you a little boost of flavor. And then we're going to go with some oil. I'm using canola oil here. 4th cup goes in the bowl. And then the star of the show, tequila. Everybody got to have some tequila. Half a cup in the marinade mix, half a cup in a glass. You know what I'm saying. Let's go. Let's party. Hey, let's party. And that's the last step. After that, we'll give it a nice little blend. Make sure it's all incorporated. And you're moving on. Time for the chicken. So I'm going to show you how I dice up the chicken breast. You can do it whole, that's fine, but I like to impart a little more flavor. And what I do is I do it into 4 cuts across, and then I halve the big ones to where they're all kind of the same size, almost like the size of a kebab you would want. I think that when you're marinating chicken breast like this, it imparts more flavor into it. You can put it on a stick, you can saute it, you can grill it, do whatever you want. So get that marinade in the baggie with all that chicken, make sure all the air is out, and then give it a nice little massage. The chicken wants tequila too, that's all I'm trying to say. Get all the nooks and crannies, get all them chicken breasts happy. And then I would say 5 hours in the fridge would do the job, but you can go overnight in the bag. I've done it for 2 days, and it still came out wonderful. So go ahead and give it a try, and enjoy.